Perfect. Hello, YouTube. I don't like needles, and I'm about to deal with them, and I'm scared. Not scared. I just don't like them. I am going to Dr. People to do a PRP injection for my wrist because it don't do a bending and it hurts. So yeah, part of the car accident got, like, my hand was messed up with the crash because my hand was on the steering wheel, and then I got smacked, and now my wrist doesn't like me. So we're gonna get that fixed. But after that, we're gonna go to Town Square. We're gonna do some cards, and then we're gonna go home. But we gotta deal with doctors. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the breakfast vlog at the beginning. Really good sandwich. Just scrambled eggs, basically, just on a croissant bread. But tastes really good. Good mix, good veggies. And we're gonna go die at the doctor. Bye-bye. It's finally done with the blood draw part. But also, okay, so finally done. They had to stab me a few more times, unfortunately. But got my wrist brace. It's a bit puffy because they just shot up things in there. But it's like anesthetic and the PRP. But let's get to the car. Anime car, make me feel better. Okay. Done with that. Sorry, it's very windy outside now. For whatever reason, temperature dropped from like 80 to 55 while I was in the office. So very cold now, very windy. But yeah, so PRP, it's platelet replacement, I think, procedure, something like that. But basically, they take blood, you spin it up, get all the platelets from it, and then you use that to inject into whatever's injured, your wrist, your neck, or whatever. I see there's somebody in the wushu sphere doing it for their ankle right now. I'm pretty sure it's Tan Chungmin doing it for her ankle. I'm doing it for my wrist. But it should be a one and done type thing, hopefully. But they definitely poked me a lot more than I was hoping, and ow. So they had to go twice into each elbow because for whatever reason, the first time that just didn't want to go through. And then the third time, like the first two, like she got a little bit. The third one, they got more, but it wasn't enough, I guess. So they needed the other one for the fourth one. So, and then on top of that, for the wrist, they went like on through the top and then through the side because it's like where this finger is to my wrist. It's like that's where the spot is, like top and bottom for where it's injured the most. But basically, it will not bend past, like this is my good wrist. It will not bend past like here instead of here. So it's like 50%, I don't know, bendability. So we're doing that to try and fix it. So you do PRP instead of like steroid injection or stem cells, because stem cells. But this way it's from me for me type thing, and then it's directly where it needs to heal. But so the anesthetic is there. I got to eat something before I can take like my regular medicine for the day with the neck and back issues. But gonna get some food, probably Kane over here on St. Rose, and then we're headed to Town Square to play Star Wars, and I'm probably gonna actually finally vlog some Star Wars. This is kind of like pre-release style today, not constructed, so a little more entertaining. But let's go get some food. Needles.
I didn't know we open it back, so now I'll wait.
Showcase. No. Blast. Hey, ECL, let's go. I got an ECL, so I got pennies.
I got a Sabine.
I got a layup. You guys pull anything good?
No, I pulled nothing. Nothing noteworthy. Hyperspace Gym. Triple A Legends.
Yeah. Doo-doo. Time to build. Alright, round 1 done. Almost waiting on these guys.
Fuck no.
Bikuma. I had to buy a new Jetbox.
Oh, my little entourage. The trio or the...